Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Delta Lake on Databricks for reliable data lakes. Complete guide step-by-step click. To set up Delta Lake on Databricks for a reliable data lake, start by launching your Databricks workspace. Next, create a new notebook. Choose your preferred language, such as Python or Scala. Once your notebook is ready, import the necessary Delta Lake libraries. You can install Delta Lake by using the following command: %pip install DeltaSpark for Python or import io.delta for Scala. Now, create a Spark session if you haven't already. Configure the Spark session to enable Delta Lake by adding the necessary configurations. With your Spark session ready, identify the location for your Delta Lake storage. This can be an Azure Blob Storage, AWS S3 bucket, or any other compatible cloud storage. Use Spark to create a Delta table. Begin by defining a data frame that you'd like to convert into a Delta table. Use the write command along with format Delta to save your data frame. Next, specify the path where the Delta table should be stored. Once your Delta table is created, it's time to read from it. Use the Spark read command, setting the format to Delta. You can query the Delta table just like you would a regular Spark data frame. To ensure data reliability, use ACID transactions. When modifying data, use Delta Lake's upsert functionality to maintain data integrity. Make sure to create and manage Delta Lake time travel by using versioning. You can achieve this by leveraging the time travel feature to query different versions of your Delta table. For performance optimization, consider using Z-ordering on your Delta tables. Z-ordering improves query performance by collocating similar data. Conduct periodic vacuum operations to clean up old data files and free up storage space. This helps maintain performance and manage storage costs effectively. Finally, always monitor your Delta Lake usage and performance metrics within Databricks. This will help you identify any potential issues and optimize your data lake setup over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.